In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get answers on Google Forms. Navigating Google Forms and extracting the answers you need doesn't have to be a headache. Whether you're reviewing survey results, gathering feedback, or checking quiz responses, Google Forms offers a streamlined, user-friendly platform. So let's dive right in and simplify this process together. First things first, you need to access your Google Form. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Forms website. Once there, you'll see the Sign In button waiting for you in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a new page will prompt you to enter your email address. Fill it in, click Next, type in your password on the following page, and hit Sign In. It's that easy to get started. Now that you're signed in, it's time to locate the Google form you're working with. If you've recently accessed it, it should appear under the Recent Forms section right on your Google Forms homepage. If not, you might need to dig a bit deeper or use the search bar to find it. Once you've found the form in question, go ahead and select it to open. Here's where the magic happens. On the form page, you'll notice a series of questions laid out one after the other. Navigate through these until you find the specific question for which you need the answers. When you've located the question, take a look at the bottom left corner of its box. You'll see a button labelled Answer Key. Give that a click. This action opens up a new area within the form where you can see the correct answers for the question. This is particularly useful for forms used as quizzes or assessments where specific answers are expected. It's important to note that Google Forms is designed with both simplicity and functionality in mind. The platform automatically manages the collection and organization of data, making it easier for you to review and extract the answers you're looking for. Plus, if you're handling a quiz, Google Forms not only allows you to set correct answers, but also to allocate points for each question, making grading a breeze. Finally, remember that Google Forms saves every change in real time, so there's no need to worry about losing any data while you're exploring answer keys or editing questions. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you should now feel more comfortable navigating Google Forms and retrieving the answers you need. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to dive in and explore all the functionalities Google Forms has to offer. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or creating quizzes, Google Forms is a powerful tool at your disposal. Happy form making!